What is up, all you amazing people out there? Welcome to Ian's RC, coming at you with another video today out of Arapaca Sandhills Preserve. And you see here I've got my FMS Chevy K10 with my Enduro trailer. And on the back there on that trailer you see that is actually a Axial SCX24 Deadbolt, but I have put the quad body on there and taken it out for its first run here. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And if this is your first time here, thank you for showing up. Hope you enjoy. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. Appreciate the subscriptions. Appreciate all the support of you guys watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give it a like. Turn on the post notifications so you know when I post new videos. This little thing's pretty cool. I do now recently have a different driver on it. I'll have some videos coming with that soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. This is Ian's RC. Hope you're having an amazing day. Peace.